Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on Public app, updated. Open the Public app and sign in, then link your bank or card and fund your account immediately. Search the ticker or browse themes, tap buy, choose dollar amount or shares, set order type, review estimated fees, and confirm. Watch notifications for fills and portfolio updates so you know when trades complete. Linking a bank is simple and secure. Open the Funding tab, choose Add Bank, and follow instant verification or microdeposit steps to verify ownership. Set a default funding source, enter the transfer amount, and confirm the deposit to fund trades quickly. Keep in mind ACH transfers can take a few business days, while instant transfer or debit options provide immediate buying power for urgent orders. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the socks you see here are a comfort win, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable everyday wear. I grabbed mine for long commutes and trading sessions, and they stayed comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Decide whether to buy by dollar amount or shares, then select Market, Limit, or Stop Order and set your preferences clearly. For limit orders, choose your limit price and order duration to control execution price. Consider fractional shares for expensive stocks to allocate spare cash efficiently, and review estimated fees and taxes in the preview. After submitting, monitor order status for fills, partial fills, or cancellations, and adjust your plan accordingly today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.